Uline's heavy-duty scissor lift pallet trucks are designed to easily move equipment and open-bottom pallet loads, as well as lift items to proper working heights. Heavy-duty scissor lift pallet trucks lift items to a convenient working height up to 31.5 inches, reducing worker injury and fatigue while increasing worker productivity and safety. Heavy-duty scissor lift pallet trucks feature a 3,000-pound capacity to easily handle heavy loads. And a heavy-duty frame and durable leak-resistant single-piston pump will deliver years of dependable service. There are two sizes to choose from. The standard H5441 handles most open-bottom pallets and larger equipment. The narrow fork H5442 handles narrow open-bottom pallets and smaller equipment. To use, simply slide the forks under any open-bottom pallet or piece of machinery. Then, use the 3-position hand control to raise and lower the truck. Push the lever down and pump the handle to raise the forks. Forks move to full height quickly, in about 20 pumps. As the forks rise, support legs deploy to increase stability and prevent the truck from rolling to ensure operator safety. Pull the lever up and your load will be lowered at a safe and controlled speed to prevent damage to heavy items. Use the lever in the middle position when moving the truck or when storing the unit. Uline heavy-duty scissor lift pallet trucks have non-marking polyurethane casters and a tight turning radius for easy maneuverability in small spaces. Uline heavy-duty scissor lift pallet trucks are in stock and ready for immediate shipment from any of our convenient locations in North America. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.